Google AI Summaries. How they reduce click-through rates in search results. Imagine a world where your search engine results are so comprehensive you never need to click on another link again. Sounds convenient, right? But here's where it gets controversial. What if this feature is actually hurting the very websites it's supposed to be helping? Google's introduction of AI overviews has sparked a heated debate among online publishers, who claim that these artificial intelligence-generated summaries are replacing traditional search results and leading to a decline in web traffic. But what does the data really say? A recent Pew Research Center report analyzed the browsing habits of 900 U.S. adults and found that Google users are indeed less likely to click on links when an AI summary appears in the results. In fact, users who encountered an AI summary clicked on a traditional search result link in just 8% of all visits, compared to 15% of visits without an AI summary. But that's not all. Users who saw an AI summary also rarely clicked on the links within the summary itself, with this happening in only 1% of all visits. So what's driving this behavior? The report suggests that Google users are more likely to end their browsing session entirely after visiting a search page with an AI summary, with this happening on 26% of pages with an AI summary compared to 16% of pages without one. This raises important questions about the impact of AI-generated content on our browsing habits and the potential consequences for online publishers. But here's the thing. AI summaries are not going away anytime soon. In fact, the report found that around 1 in 5 Google searches in March 2025 produced an AI summary, with the majority of these summaries citing 3 or more sources. So what can we learn from this data? For starters, it's clear that Google users are interacting with AI summaries in a unique way. The report found that the most frequently cited sources in both Google AI summaries and standard search results are Wikipedia, YouTube, and Reddit, with these 3 sites accounting for 15% of the sources listed in AI summaries and 17% of the sources listed in standard search results. But what about the types of websites that are being linked to in Google search results? The report found that government websites are more common in AI summaries than in standard search results, with 6% of AI summaries linking to .gov websites compared to just 2% of standard search results. Meanwhile, news websites are equally likely to be linked to in both AI summaries and standard search results, with 5% of AI summaries and 5% of standard search results linking to news sites. So, what does this mean for online publishers? The report suggests that publishers who rely heavily on Google search traffic may need to rethink their strategies as AI summaries continue to become more prevalent. But here's the million-dollar question. Are AI summaries a net positive or negative for the online ecosystem? Do they provide a convenient and helpful summary of complex information, or do they stifle innovation and hurt online publishers? We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the part most people miss. The impact of AI summaries on our browsing habits is not just about the technology itself, but about how we choose to interact with it. As AI-generated content continues to evolve, it's up to us to consider the potential consequences and ensure that we're using these tools in a way that benefits everyone. But what do you think? Are AI summaries a game changer or a recipe for disaster? Let us know in the comments.